What is up guys, Done at the site. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a background music and video in Canva. So first you need to head over to your Canva's website, and then when you're redirected to the homepage, here you need to click on videos, and I am choosing a pre-built or inbuilt video template from Canva. And after choosing, I'll click on it once. After clicking here, as you can see, the video template has been opened in a new tab. And now to add an audio here, at the left side bottom, you will see the button to add audio. But if you can't see the add audio button on the left side, here you will see multiple options to edit. Click on apps. After clicking on apps, scroll on a bit, click on audio. After clicking on audio, if you want free audios, you can click on music free, and then you can choose a wide range of audio tracks from Canva. So let's say I like this one. I'll click on it once, and then as you can see, the audio has been added to the timeline. So after that, you can save it, share it, whatever you'd like. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.